Hello. Anki Tech Raptor. Okay. Wait, when did I put my Rex away again? Whatever. I'll use the snake. It'll be fine, probably. It's like northwest. Hi, Toaster. Oh, I should do.
Show me how to love the way you love me. I'm only here to honor what you want. We give you our praise. You are the only way. Just to see your face.
Oh.
Take me in a whole echo. I know. You got everything I want. Who am I to receive it? And who are you to
Oh, fuck, I forgot. I need to pick up my bison milk. I died like 5 times and lost 2 mounts trying to get wyvern milk. So I said, fuck it, bisons.
Tried hard to sustain gain, but nothing would ever go okay with losing something that's greater than.
They only produce milk when babies are around? Yeah. So I found a level 15. I just used the gene scanner. I found a level 15 female and tamed it quickly. And then I found 150 male with 2 150 male babies. So, yeah, it should be doing its thing. Oh, there it is. shit. Being a fucking idiot. Hey, do you fucking mind? God, I need a thylacoleo, which I would go get if I didn't lose my extraordinary kibble to a fucking pack of Aztecs. I'm ordering Starbies. That's it. Put my table saw together basically for like 2 hours, putting the table together and then making sure the saw was set and all that shit. Got the jointer set up. Just have to wait for Mrs. Ravioli to be awake before I, test it. What's with the basic kibble? I'm gonna blow my shit off smooth. Fucking iguanodon saddle, dude. What's that? 80 pounds. Fuck.
Hands held to the sky.
Give me milk. Wants to go on a walk. Why are you so fucked up? Your food is full. I hate you. You're fully grown already? Jesus H. Christ. Well, get the fuck in, I guess. So in 13 minutes, I'll want milk. Okay. The things for them is expensive to make. I do want a Bastion Beetle, but I need veggie cakes, which I haven't gotten in a while. Along with getting basic kibble 3 times in a row.
To the facts now. I got better, you got worse, you look depressed and sad now. I live in the moment, you ain't worth my time, I cashed out. You live in the past, now you mad now. Ain't nobody fuck you like I did, I know that I look like the man now. I gave you my heart and all you wanted was a hand now. You crashed, now you blacked out, I look back and laugh now. It's okay, it's all good, I used to use this fire, still
Oh, God. Spectral Pyro. I do need a kitty.
They said I'm crashing out.
I didn't bring a flyer. Fuck. Okay.
I can show you
that underground music, riding in the years with the chopping out used. Put your title up, you'll lose. I approve it. Matter of fact, I stamped that approve. Straight underground, make all you haters get down. You understand what I'm saying?
I can show you lame niggas how to do this. Stack your money up, be about your business. Cause hoes gon' be hoes, they come with a wish list. Hoes gon' be hoes, they come with a wish list. I can show you lame niggas how to do this.
Oh, I guess I could have just teleported a flyer to me. Whatever. Fine.
She
Oh fuck.
Second phone buzzing, just delete the other number. Yeah, cruising at 103 till I seen a freak that went the ruckus. She was peeking out the cover. She said, Gigi, wait, you know. Yeah, grew up down the street, my uncles beating up her brothers. I said, bitch, jumping back, shipping lit. Fuck you at. She was just running packs. Emma Smith, running back. She had to make it sales. Rubbing it, just caught her body that she got me paying down. Painting nails, calling me sound like the heads of the way I be chasing tail. Push it, bitch, you know she got them brands of the bed. I'm in Miami, so we know the measures. Fans of Denzel. I called her door back with a 50. She wanted the titties at the BBL. She said, oh, bitch, you about to make me cancel this L. She said, hood is on, but she in a condo that her buddy own. Payment good, if she good is gone. Boy, you should've known. Calling me up on 50 phones.
Why am I dying?
Never let them keep me on my tippy toes. I can show you lame niggas how to do this. Stack your money up, be about your business. Cause hoes gon' be hoes, they come with a wish list. Hoes gon' be hoes, they come with a wish list. I can show you lame niggas how to do this. Stack your money up, be about your business. Cause hoes gon' be hoes, they come with a wish list. Hoes gon' be hoes, they come with a wish list.
Oh right, because I shot them with the shotgun several times. Right. How could I forget? Why isn't it running? Oh my God.
Hey, what is everybody talking about when they wanna live fast, but I'd rather walk it out? Niggas wanna talk about a G, but I spin a G on the 12 teeth in my mouth. Diamonds aquatic, it feel like a trout on my wrist or a spot on my wrist with a spider up in it. Everything gotta be 80 and you keep the 20%. You know that I get it, I'm on it, I'm in it. If you try to take it, the cook get extended. I'm back on my bullshit like Jordan, I'm pimping. If this is my life, then I'm Tokyo drifting.
Like inside its ass, I can't hit it.
Some kind of weird ravioli.
Hi, Starphaser. had to kill the lightning raptor, but I worry that that's not gonna kill this guy.
Crib, blowing the smoke and rolling a few, shooting some dice and making a flip. We getting a lit, you know what it do. One of my homies said, I got a question, I wanna know, like what would you choose? If you had 24 hours to live, then where would you go and what would you do? I'm about to catch a few felonies, load up the trunk and then head to the Beverly's. How about the whipping and rob a celebrity? Take all the shit and then steal his identity. Strap on a vest and go kill all my enemies. Slap any hater that showed any jealousy. Shoot every broski that
Got done shoveling shit into the raised beds. Nice, nice.
Get in the floor, take from the rich and then give to the poor. Give them the shit that they couldn't afford. Buy my cribs and then give them a tour. Whipping the Porsche, skirt on the cops and I'm flipping the law. Bury the ops and then dig up the cars. Throw me a party with all of the bros and then turn every day to a holiday.
Lost 20% taming effectiveness, but not so bad. Oh, hey, Benji's playing Ark. How did you tame that without fucking dying? Does it? Wouldn't it be irradiating you on your shoulder?
Take all the shit and then steal his identity. Strap on a vest and go kill all my enemies. Slap any hater that showed any jealousy. If you had 24 hours to live with it, what would you do if it was you instead of you do? What would you do? What would you do? I got a question I wanna know. Like what would you do? Where would you go? What would you choose? So I got a question I wanna know. Like what would you do? Would you go crazy because of it? Kill every nigga you holding a grudge against? Line up the plug and stare you 100 bricks. Slap any nigga that did any sucker shit. Run in the crib and then take what you wanna get. Load up the choppers and scheme on the gun.
Alright, good, they're just eating.
Would you go stupid or would you do none of it? And I'm coming for every nigga that owe me cake. Better have every single penny and don't be late.
Wish it was a female, but whatever.
Talking and I don't wanna negotiate. I'm a fucking your baby mama's appropriate. Give your son a new little brother, I hope he hate. Got a bullet for every nigga that told me wait. No more ramen and OJ, I need a Kobe steak. Sick and tired of niggas bragging, better give me your jewelry. If I don't take it off, you'll be giving it to me. I murder every bully that be getting a ruly. This for every nigga that thought it was living a movie. Way too many on my list that was daring to move me. This for anybody that was swearing they knew me. I take every motherfucker who the animal cruelty. Line up all up in a row, so I hand me the Uzi.
So I'm not dying.
When the clock hits stop, I can laugh at death. I got a bulletproof heart, I don't have a vest. Before I die, ask God if I pass the test. Take all my money at the crib, then I cash it. Check. Think about it to my kids, that's my last request. If you had 24 hours to act your level, tell me what you gonna do if your ass is next. What would you do? What would you do? What would you do? I got a question I wanna know. Like, what would you do? Where would you go? What would you choose? So I got a question I wanna know. Like, what would you do? Would you go crazy because of it? Kill every nigga you holding a grudge against? Line up the plug and stare you 100 bricks. Slap any nigga that did any sucker shit. Run in the crib and then take what you wanna get. Load up the choppers and scheme on the government. 24 hours is all that you're gonna get. Would you go stupid or would you do none of it?
Nice. Oh, right, and it makes them grow faster. Absolutely forgot about that part.
24 hours to live. Fred can't believe it. Oh my God. What could be worse news than that? Doctor says I couldn't get hold
It's
of you.
objectively better to use bison milk.
And I really thought by now I'd be living it up. Run away from the pain, I'm picking it up. Funny how nothing's ever enough, no. You and me was best friends back then. Look at us now, every good thing happens. Stressing you out, dreaming going on tour, trying to figure it out. While you was home all alone, only seeing the doubt. 'Cause I wish I could go back and say that I loved you more, but I only hear echoes of what I can't let go. And now I know that some things you don't see coming, some things will break your soul. Someday you'll understand that some things have been time to grow. Someday I know you'll see it. Someday I know you'll know just why you had to leave. 'Cause sometimes love is letting go.
Gah.
Past, I can't lay to rest. Ghosts in the form of your silhouette. Tears hit the floor like I'm dripping sweat.
You still have to trank OBs, right? I'm pretty sure. What? 150 Astro. How much fucking health? Oh, 20k? Oh, I thought I saw 70. High Flugel Duel. Oh, that's that ain't it. All right, you can't pick them up. Stupid fucking bird.
Sometimes love is letting go.
A person who thinks all the time has nothing to think about except thoughts. So, he loses touch with reality and lives in a world of illusions. By thoughts, I mean specifically chatter in the skull,
Damn, he's fast as fuck, boy.
perpetual and compulsive repetition of words,
God damn, little dude.
reckoning and calculating.
Not fast enough, though.
I'm not saying that thinking is bad. Like everything else, it's useful in moderation. A good servant, but a bad master. And all so-called civilized people
I got
have increasingly become crazy and self-destructive.
Maybe it'll break my shitty luck.
Through excessive thinking, they have lost touch with reality. That's to say, we confuse science with the real world.
Oh, is that a little Ichthyornis, baby? Oh. Wait. You're ruining this for me. There we go.
Most of us would have rather money than tangible wealth, and a great occasion is somehow spoiled for us unless photographed. And
Okay.
to read about it the next day in the newspaper is oddly more fun for us than the original event. This is a
Hey, buddy.
for as a result of confusing the real world of nature with
Go
mere
crazy.
science, we are destroying nature. We are so tied up in our minds that we've lost our senses. Time to wake up.
Damn, that gas bag takes forever.
Obviously, no one can say because it isn't words. It isn't material. That's just an idea. Reality is
The Pleurodon, Charlie. I need a Pleurodon. Alright, I was gonna get Starbies.
I'm not trying to put you down. It's an expression of you as you are. One must live. We need to survive, to go on. We must go on.
Gather round, kids. Gather round. There's one thing I learned in life. It's that only three things are certain. Death, taxes, and a Gucci belt don't mean...
Look, I don't know who Uncle Sam is. Can't do my taxes. Can't spell his cargo, cause I never had it. Report card average. I was probably absent. Never heard of Hamilton
Oh, this
until he
place
started
has a
rapping.
peanut
That
butter
don't matter cause the matter of fact
ring.
is I grew up on Nirvana thinking Madonna's attractive. Skipping practice, blazing playing Madden. Watching Ed and Eddie on the telly, shit was classic. Like, all I need is a plain white tee. Never polo or polo cause it just ain't me. Nah. All this whining over wine and some cheese. And pretty girls like it lavish, but they love you know me. See, when the going gets weird, man, the weird go pro. When the going gets weird, they go. Now check it out. When the going gets weird, man, the weird go pro. When the going gets weird, they go. Check it out. I can't change for some designer rings. I'm talking about superficial things that mean nothing to me. Man, y'all love to do the most. Y'all love to do the most. To get your superficial things.
What would
Your
this is
superficial things, baby. Sparkling and still catch me sipping out the tap. Wanna order hors d'oeuvres. I'm like, what the fuck is that? No more baited conversations, ain't engaging in the trap. Politicking over dinner, I just came here for a snack. No cryptocurrency, my watch BCZ, my J's Fugazi, but I'm sexy as a motherfucker.
Yo, I'm gonna get the
We
fruity
only play
level
R&B,
latte.
my car be older than me, still I'm sexy as a motherfucker. All I need is a little mystique, a bit of weed just to get me through the end of the week. Been in the same jeans since like 2003, and pretty girls like it lavish, but they loving on me. Like when the going gets weird, man, the weird go pro. When the going gets weird, they go. Like check it out. When the going
They
gets
sell
weird, man, the weird
Red
go
Bull
pro. When the going gets
infusion.
weird, they go. Check it
Jesus
out.
Christ.
Can't change for some designer rings. I'm talking about superficial things that mean nothing to me. Man, y'all love to do the most. Y'all love to do the most. To get your superficial things. Fuck your superficial things, baby. I can't change for some designer rings. I'm talking about superficial things that mean nothing to me. Man, y'all love to do the most. Y'all love to do the most. To get your superficial things. Fuck your superficial things, baby.
Do I have anything with sausage? No.
It's all over us, like I always was, like I always was. Shaped by the clearest blue, but it's not enough. It's not enough, not enough. Just another time I'm caught inside every open eye, holding on tightly to the sides, never quite learning why. You'll meet me
Today is our first day of it will be gym day, which I'm gonna need to nap at some point for sure. Order please.
Used to be hard to get abroad when I got declined on my debit card. Duct tape on my headlight, no aux plug in my beat up car. When college loans stacked up, equated to more than my savings and shit. I ain't even read graduation, so now all that I'm paying is hard knocks education. I'm saying that I barely have money for weed. Shit, I had to sell it to smoke. Pulling up on my tank on E. Yes, I was incredibly broke, but shit was inevitable. I had to go through it to get to the dough. Learn the ropes on the slope of a treacherous road. Still, I put on one hell of a show. My credit was low, but I shot for the top. Riding out whether I got it or not. Seeing these people with money, you're wondering if they were better. I honestly thought that copping a drop, or buying a yacht, or wearing a chain with the shiniest rock. So make you the man, so I made a plan. And now I got fans that are buying my stock. And now that I got what I came here to get and secure the bag, I don't need a flex. I just stack and chill and play PlayStation. No vacation, just reading checks, then cashing them, then stacking them. And through it all, to the same old me. Never ball out, I just stay low key. How far it goes, we'll see. I don't gotta flex for the grand pose. Don't whip a Corvette or a Lambo. I'm just stacking up my checks and I'm laying low. But fuck what they say, cause I'm getting paid. Yeah, I don't gotta flex for the grand pose. Don't whip a Corvette or a Lambo. I'm just stacking up my checks and I'm laying low. But fuck what they say, cause I'm getting paid. Now, hold up, just wait a second. I still gotta figure out a way to spend it. Taxes suck and I'm racking up, so this cash I touch will get reinvested. My ace Flynn on the finances. Money coming, he timestamp it. I'm a simple man with a business plan. Couple $100,000 on my mind, damn it. Drop 5K for the Kangen water. Want a glass, shit making offer. Money over fame, put a ring on the game, then dip with a maid of honor. What you spend on a necklace, I get it, then invest it. And then I'll get a necklace with what I made off my investment. But I'm frugal, watching money quadruple. Bringing in that cheddar and getting credit approvals. In caboodle, I'm trying to get it all. Locked up in the lab until there's plaques up on the wall. No need for a withdrawal. I only make deposits. I want 11 figures on my hustle till I got it. Cause Nip taught me all money in. Marathon never ends. Hit my stride and then I'm gone with the wind. I don't gotta flex for the grand pose. Don't whip a Corvette or a Lambo. I'm just stacking up my checks and I'm laying low. But fuck what they say, cause I'm getting paid. Yeah, I don't gotta flex for the grand pose. Don't whip a Corvette or a Lambo. I'm just stacking up my checks and I'm laying low. But fuck what they say, cause I'm getting paid. Show me the money. Show me the money. Show me the money. Show me the money.
Or your items are done. It's because I have highlighting on from my spyglass.
Show me the money. Show me the money.
Oh. That, I'm gonna be honest. I'm feeling kind of like Dookie. What if I just did like 20-30 minute streams today? What is today? Tuesday? Yeah, I think I might actually hop off. I thought I was gonna stream until tonight, but I feel like dog shit. So bye.